Day grade ones, I'm so glad to chat to you again. I do hope so that you are keeping warm during these cold days. We would be chatting today about weather. Let's see what's it all about. What does weather mean? I'm sure you all have your own thoughts and explanation about what does weather mean. Weather is what the sky and the air outside are like, such as cold and cloudy. The weather is more than just wind or rain, but also includes some stunning effects in the sky, like rainbows that appear after a rain, and flashes of lightning. Let's talk about seasons, grade ones. We have 4 seasons. We have autumn, we have winter, we have spring, and we have summer. Many places on the earth have seasons, and different seasons at different times. Others do not. What causes the seasons? It is caused by the movement of the earth around the sun and how high the sun will get in the sky. If you look at the sun in the picture, you will see the sun is a bit at the bottom and it's warmer at the bottom where the kids are playing on the beach sand and the flowers are blooming. Where else on the top it's a bit cold. There's snow and the leaves change colors. Let's talk more about these seasons. Autumn. Autumn is on your left hand corner right on the top. Leaves start to change color and they fall off the tree. Then we have winter, that's next to autumn on your right hand corner on the top. It's colder weather. Trees have no leaves and the time during the day is short. So if the day is short, the nights are longer. At the bottom on your left hand side, you have spring. Weather usually turns warmer and the trees begin to grow leaves. The plants start to flower and young animals such as chicks and lambs are born. On your right hand corner you have summer. It's usually warm and it gets a bit hot. Trees have full green leaves and the days are longer. If the days are longer, that means the nights are shorter. Brr, it is cold. It's another cold day, grade ones. Shall we decide what to wear on this cold day? Well, different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes. Because in different seasons, the weather is different and we wear clothes according to the weather. So if it's a cold day today, we are going to dress warm. We wear light clothes in warm weather, whereas in cold weather we wear clothes like sweaters and jackets. We wear clothes like raincoat as well to protect us from the rain. Let's look at the different types of clothes on cold and hot days. There are different kinds of clothes that you would wear. There's a jacket, there's boots, there's a hat. At the bottom row, there's a scarf, gloves or mittens, or an earmuff. These are items that will keep you warm in weather that is cold. On hot weather, we have shorts on the top, we have flip-flops, or we could even wear sandals, we have a cap. At the bottom row, we have a beautiful red dress, a t-shirt, and sunglasses. These are things that would keep you feeling cooler during hot weathers. This is food on cold and hot days. On the top it's Food on cold days, which we have a mug of hot chocolate and soup. At the bottom we have fruit, juice and ice cream. But I'm sure your mom, dad or an adult will prepare different kinds of food on these kinds of weather. This is just an example which I have put up. Different kinds of weather adjust our eating habits. Like on cold days, you would want something warm to warm up your body, and on hot days, you will need cold things to cool off. But remember to keep eating and drinking healthy things for your body. Talk about protection. As you can see, a little girl is putting some sunscreen on. That is to prevent her skin from burning in the sun. And then we have a picture of sunglasses. Sunglasses protect your eyes. And also remember, grade 1s, do not look directly at the sun without your glasses on. Then we have an umbrella. An umbrella would protect you on rainy days. At the bottom, we have a bottle of water. So you have to drink lots of water to keep hydrated during hot weather. Hydrated means that you are replacing the water in the body. And if you do not have water, then we say you are dehydrated, which means that your body does not have enough water to function. So you got to drink lots and lots of water to keep hydrated. Then we have a sun hat. A sun hat prevents you from burning in the sun. Okay, grade 1, it's time for our life skills workbook. So we are going to turn over to page 28. Okay, on the top it says the weather. You have 4 blocks there. One is rainy, the other is sunny, then there's windy, and at the bottom it's cloudy. I would like you to color all those 4 pictures in. Right, let's move over to page 29. Page 29, it says, the weather is how the day feels. Let us look at hot and cold. Can you color in these pictures? As we have discussed in the video, different kinds of clothes, I'm sure you can identify it in the 2 different ovals. On the top, we have cold, and at the bottom, we have hot. So I would like you to also color these pictures as beautiful as possible. I'm sure you would do a great job on that. Right, let's move over to page 30. It says, what do you like to do when it is hot? How do you cool down? Draw a picture of what you would do. So if you are feeling hot, how would you cool off? I would like you to draw a picture in the square block at the bottom. And at the bottom it says, when I am hot, so you would draw yourself in the block, what you would do. There's also words to assist you if you'd need. The first word is swim, then it is tree, then it is fan, drink, and water. If you'd like to use those words, you may use those words in your picture. Right, grade 1s, page 31. There's a big circle, and that circle is divided into 4. Right. It shows you different seasons. So you are going to draw in the weather for each season. On the top left-hand corner, it says summer. Remember, it starts with a summer. So in that block, you would draw a season in summer. What happens in summer? Next to it, it is autumn. At the bottom, you have winter. And next to winter, it is spring. As we have also discussed in the video, the different kinds of seasons at the beginning, if you'd like to have a look and remind yourself of what it is all about, you may go back and then go back to page 31 and answer those questions. Be as creative as possible, grade ones. Okay, let's move over to page 32. Page 32 says, what do you like to do when it is cold? How do you keep warm? Draw a picture of what you would do. So in the square block, you are going to draw, when I am cold, when you're feeling cold, you'll draw a picture of what you do. Excellent, grade ones. I'm sure that's fairly easy for you. Right, this is just an extra activity if you would like to do it. Okay, it is not compulsory, but if you would like to do it, it says use cutout D from the middle of the book. So what you're going to do, go to the middle of the book. The middle of the book is page 39. 39. Can you see there's a fan over there? It says on the top, a fan is always a good idea to keep cool. Color in the fan and then cut it out. Stick it onto cardboard to make it strong. So this is just an extra activity if you like to do it. Or if not, you can complete all the other activities which we have discussed before. Okay, grade ones, I'm sure you would do a beautiful job out of that. Thank you, grade ones, for all your effort and working diligently. I really appreciate all that you have done. From next week, there would be a little break for you guys. We won't be having any lessons next week. That will be the teachers preparing for you guys to return back to school. So take it easy, keep sanitizing, and remember to wash those hands. Goodbye, grade ones.